this quick tutorial, I will show you step-by-step guide on how to create group chat on Instagram without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Instagram tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to create group chat on Instagram. A very easy tricks. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you open up your Instagram. So I'm going to click on here to open my Instagram. Then after you open up your Instagram, next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on here. Then take you to the chat box. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on this pencil icon. Then take you to this page. Next thing you need to do is to click on create group chat. Then you can simply select at least 2 or more people. Then having selected them, next thing you need to do is to click on create group chat. Boom, a chat has been successfully created. Then you can simply click on here to name the group chat. New friends. Then click on here to change the chat name. You can click on here to change the chat theme. Then you can try and see this is a new chat theme. Then you can use this microphone to record a voice note in the group. Then you can use this image icon to send image to the group, and you can use this particular button to send document into the group. Then you can also tap on the group name here and see more features about group chat on Instagram. So right here you get your invite link. You can use this link to invite more people to join the group. Then you can also control chat in the group. So for you to do that, just click on control chat. Then you can move to general or what have you. So let's quickly go back. Then you can control privacy and safety of the chat, and then from the top right here you can use this leave button if you want to exit from a group chat on Instagram. So this is how to create and how to manage group chat on Instagram, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Instagram tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.